morning, sir. How was the night? I can see you guys are really.
As you can see on the board, we have introduction to poetry. Today we have a lot to do.
Can see that.
As I can see, some of the students are not here. What is the problem? Hello, young lady. Who are you?
A student.
And who are these young men with you?
Oh, these are my guards.
And what does that mean?
I am a royal princess of Obado Kingdom, and as such, I move around with my aides and my guards to wherever I go. Sir.
Quiet. Excuse me. Look here, young lady. Do you know that this is high institution owned by the federal government of this country? As such, has no special preference to anybody elder. And you know, as you can see, there are royals and commoners in this class. And meanwhile, you came 30 minutes late to my class. I don't tolerate such. Please leave my class. Nonsense.
Oh my God.
Excuse me. May I help you? We're actually in the same class, and I couldn't help but notice what happened between you and the lecturer today.
Yes, sir. If this were my father's palace, I would have had that man severely punished. Nobody talks to me like that. He needs to know who he just insulted. This is the height of insolence.
You know, with your reaction, that tells me that you have never been to Professor Wabara's class before. If not, you will know that he is a very principled lecturer. He wants you to be in his class, be seated before he comes to class. Or he doesn't lecture for you at all.
Oh, but you think this is funny, right? But it sounds funny, isn't it? In my father's palace, where I come from, commoners do not approach me standing. Not to talk of being talked to like that. This is rubbish. Look, I need to get out of here. Get me out of here. Hi.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Wow, I didn't think you would recognize me. I mean, we just met 3 days ago.
You're so funny. I mean, who wouldn't recognize a full-grown eagle flying in the air?
Now, that's so much flattering.
Oh, come on, I didn't mean it that way. By the way, I have not been seeing you in class. I hope it's not because of what that lecturer said the other day.
No, it's not. It's just that I don't even know the time of our lectures.
Well, that would make me assume that you do not even have time today.
Nope, I don't.
Okay, well, I could make you a copy if you want, but you definitely not pick it today because I didn't come with mine. So, if you desperately need it, you could just give me your number and I'll call you.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks. Have you noticed that people look at me a lot? Like,
why wouldn't they? I mean, your princess, aren't you?
Please. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
So I'll see you.
We actually have a class now, you know.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Oh my God, okay. Right, let's go. So how have you been?
Yeah, why don't you be free?
It's for my security. I'm royal. So I can just...
What's up now?
Oh my God.
Something they happen.
Who are those girls smoking on campus like tots?
I'm surprised you do not know who Amanda is.
Obviously not.
Well, she and her co-aristo friends are supposedly said to be like the hottest girls on campus. Not like I see it anyway.
Wait, what is aristo?
It's aristo with an I.
Okay, so what does that mean?
This is so unbelievable. God, you are so naive. You know what? Let's go for our lectures, and after which I will sit you down and I'll tell you everything about those girls. But I would advise you stay away from them. They're no good. Please.
You can say that again. They really look like they came from the ghettos.
Yeah.
Who the hell does that girl think she is?
My dear, I just don't know. I wonder if she realizes that this is a university.
And a federal one for that matter.
Make una no worry. Now just time. We gonna know how far. I did tell you.
Sit down. Oh yeah, ma, what are you doing here?
Chima, Manda. Chima. Wonder shall never end. You know, when I heard that you'd gained admission into university, I honestly thought that things would be better for you. But unfortunately...
Mandas, who be this now?
We don't know. This is definitely very interesting. Chima, what have you been doing to yourself?
Girls, let's go.
Not so fast, my wife. Not so fast.
What do you want?
I have a million questions that you need to answer.
So state them and let me go. Here's my number. Call me and we'll talk. Girls, hold on.
You set the date and time for this meeting, and yet you still kept me waiting for 2 hours.
Oi! If you take a good look at me, it will tell you how long it took me to look this good. Me, your ex-wife.
What's all this ex talk?
Perhaps you've missed the point. I came here to drive home a few home truths. You belong to my past, and there you shall remain.
That's a lie. Is this why you left? Is it this why you abandoned your only son? Why you just...
Oh, shut up! If this is why you called me here, then I'll take my leave.
Chimamanda, sit down. Sit down.
Nerves. You've got nerves. All right, me. You know why I'm sitting on you. I want to make something clear to you. 1, I am free of your shackles of bondage. 2, I owe nobody no explanation whatsoever. No one, least of all you. So now that we're clear, I'll take my leave.
I'm not done talking to you.
Wait a minute. What are you doing here?
I feel I'm here to study mass communication.
Oyema, what's this?
Chima!
Amanda.
So, Mama, that is what happened.
This is very sad. But since then, have you made any effort to work with her?
Yes, Mama. I have. And I still will. But the only thing is just that despite all my attempts to reach her, she just avoids me as if I have leprosy.
I never liked that girl at all. Never. Especially for the fact that she was the person that made you not to finish the apprenticeship you went to as in learning your trade. Now Chimamanda has ruined you. Chimamanda has ruined my son. Oh, Mama. You have to be very careful this time. You have to avoid that girl.
Now avoid. Mama, please. Don't say that again. I will not avoid her. Mama, she is the mother of my son. Let me just tell you something. Every morning when I wake, at night when I'm going to bed, I always pray to God to bring us back together.
God forbid. I said God forbid, not on your mouth. Clean your mouth to me. I said, clean your mouth. I said, Mama,
I will clean my mouth, but I will not change my mind. I will not avoid her.
the one that happened to you, you don't like telling. Look at what I am.
Dare you!
What effrontery! What impudence!
My princess, what do you desire we do to him?
Caution him. Caution him that next time he should never touch anybody royal in his life or in his next miserable life. Fool.
Young man and all of you, listen and listen real good. Stay clear from Princess Oluchi Elema, the only daughter of His Royal Majesty, who is the Obi-Wan of Obadoland. Obi Gibson Ikemefuna, Odogo. Go and spread the gospel across your campus.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm really sorry to bother you, but you on my friend's seat.
I'm sorry I didn't see any reservation on this seat when I came here.
Oh yes, I'm sorry about that. She's not yet around, so I actually went to put some book from the shelf. So by the time I came back, you were here, and I even dropped this book here, so you know that someone was sitting down here.
This is where I want to sit. Is there a problem with that?
All I'm saying is please just stand up, okay? There's so many other seats here and you can use any of them.
Library, please.
Tell me to keep quiet. I'm trying to explain something to you. Please, can you just leave?
Okay. Where is my seat?
This is it.
So why is he here?
I've been so polite with him, telling him to stand up so he could go to another seat because you were here and he doesn't want to.
Excuse me? Could you get up from my seat? Are you stupid? Will you get your insignificant self out of the seat? What? Oh, get out! Get out! Now stop it. This minute.
It wasn't.
Shut up! What is it? What did you just call me?
What is the meaning of what you did in there?
Listen to me. Nobody, no one has the right to call me that name except my grandmother. Now,
don't yell. It's unladylike. All I'm saying is that what you did in there was bad. Your reaction was very bad and disrespectful. It wasn't good.
Listen, I react the way I choose, when I choose, and how I choose to. No one has the right to stop me or tell me what to do.
Yes, maybe I'm not able to stop you, princess. But let me remind you that this is a university and not your father's kingdom.
Okay, now you are shouting.
Oh yes, let me shout. How can you look a young man in his face and give him a slap? What does royalty mean to you? Humiliation and disrespect? No. True leadership is a reflection of your humility and the meekness of your spirit. And my dear friend, what you just did today was a height of disregard of your status. Look, if it may interest you to know that she who stands before you is also royal. My real name is Princess Olainkem Obodoze of Oji Kingdom. Now, having introduced myself to you, I beg to take my leave.
That guy na correct gentleman. See as the girl takes slap her, he no talk anything.
Maybe only gentleman. That guy na complete olodo. Beans. Oh boy.
Wonder.
Nah, support you. What kind of gentleman be that one?
I wonder.
See, the funniest part is say na chick for that matter. Nah, guy, if na me, na mother. I go sound that girl. What's it?
What?
Slapping a fellow student. What does she think she is?
You are talking as if you don't know. Princess Oluchi Elebena.
Not only Princess Oluchi, but Queen Amina of Zazao.
Oni, how come a girl slapped you yesterday and you didn't do anything? Wait. How did it happen?
Well, nothing happened.
See as una two dey mope una sef as if you don't know this guy's attitude. This guy likes to pretend. Guy, you dey lack. Now your best friend go tell you say your mouth dey smell. You dey lack.
Oni, no give us gentlemanly attitude unless you're planning something, are you?
And if you are planning something for real, don't ever think of leaving us out of the action.
Guys, just calm down. Don't relax. Calm down.
Okay, what's the plan now?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, guys, first of all, I want to thank you for having my back and supporting me, but on this matter, nothing is going to happen. Okay?
Why? Because she's a princess.
Princess, my foot.
Look, what are you talking about? I don't owe anyone any explanation. But the thing is, guys, make anybody not touch this girl. Because if you touch her, I will touch you back.
Oh, you listen to me. Listen to me. Let me just
Listen,
tell you now.
I've made my point. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Guys, I get beans for Romo.
Wait now!
Do you know why I invited you here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. You were witnesses to what happened in the school library yesterday between those students.
Yeah, we did, sir. Well, sir, actually I was told.
I was present, sir.
Good. I personally singled out the three of you because I know you are the only carryover students in my class. I intentionally did not want to dabble into that matter. I want you to handle it.
Well, I don't understand, sir.
Sir, but how?
Good. I don't know how you are going to achieve it, but I want you to bring that girl to apologize to that boy for slapping him in that place. I don't know. I will want that thing to be done in that very place. Your success or failure in this mission will determine if you are coming here next year to carry over my course or not. I give you till the end of this semester to achieve this. Thank you, you're dismissed. You can go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, babe. Why to this time again?
The minister's calling and I'm rolling.
Oh, I don't die. I don't die. Oh, God. Hot like fire. Hot like fire. Hot like fire.
You girls. Oyema, what are you doing here?
I've got a million questions for you. And a million reasons why you should quit this life of lies and just face your reality.
What reality, if I may ask?
Chimamanda. Chima. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
What is going on here? What exactly is going on here? Amanda, who is this guy and why does he keep calling you Chima, Amanda?
Oyema, you will get your frustrated life out of my space now.
What?
You heard me. You walk in here on me and my friends like an imposter, and an imposter I will treat you as.
I, your husband, the father of your child, am an imposter.
Get out.
I said get out!
No, I'm not going anywhere till you listen to me. Chimamanda, please, I beg you. Everything that has happened in the past is in the past. And I'm willing to let it die there. Just remember how we used to be. For the sake of our son.
Hey! Get out! Now, how can you slap him?
You slap your husband.
Young man, I don't know who you are and what you have with Amanda, but I suggest you leave now.
Please just go. Go!
Get out. Get out. Get out. The word is X! 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 Operating word is X!
Take it easy. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Amanda, you slapped him. Why?
That is not what I expected you to ask, okay? What I expect you to ask is, Amanda, who are you?
Oh, shut up!
Cigarettes. And I'll see you guys when I get back. Something she's not telling us.
Hey!
Well done, never. I'm very excited, Joy.
You know, like I told you over the phone today, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. You know, you're the only friend I have on this campus.
Okay, fine. It's alright. I forgive you. I mean, who am I not to forgive her, Royal Majesty, anyways?
Do me one more favor.
Which is?
Cut out this Your Majesty thing. I mean, you're also a royal princess. But that reminds me. I've been meaning to ask you. How come you don't have royal guards attached to you as a princess?
So you see, I do not attach so much importance to all those things. My primary assignment in this school is to come out with a first class. Or else, I'll be forced to marry a 60-year-old man.
Wait, hold on. What did you say? 60 years old?
Yeah.
How? Why?
You see, the kingdom where I come from, because I'm the first daughter of the king, I have to marry from a specific royal family. So, and the only eligible man alive is 60 years old.
You make me laugh.
So it's small thing.
Let them say whatever they want to say. I don't care.
At least, I mean, you. Anybody who didn't talk about is not human being.
Yeah.
Talk.
Yes, if
Like
you're not being
people
talked
talk.
about, you don't exist. It means you're not improving, you know.
Okay, fine. Considering the way you're sounding, why are you so bent on having a first-class degree?
You are so naive. Okay, wait. Don't tell me that you're the only one who doesn't know on this campus that when you study English and come out with the first class, the school puts you on a scholarship to any country of your choice so you can do your masters.
Oh, are you serious?
Real, true.
Oh, that's such a good trick. Look at you.
That's my plan of escaping the 60 years old man.
Doesn't sound bad. As a matter of fact, I don't mind going to any country I love to do my masters. I have a country in mind. Ask me.
That's a very wonderful plan, but you really have to work hard.
Of course I will.
So what's cool?
South of France.
Then you have to work hard then.
That's the guy.
So my princess is scared.
It's not like I'm scared. The guy is just so strange.
She's scared.
Well,
Princess, food is ready. Should we serve it?
Now really get your stupid self and get out of my sight. I said get out!
Okay, my princess.
So, she has refused to change her mind.
Yes, Mama.
I see. I've told you to let that go, but you won't listen to me. Don't beg her again. Chimamanda has gone too far. And her coming back is not going to be today. You won't go there for my when a monkey jumps up to the tree, it does not come down.
I believe she'll still return. Honestly, I understand how she feels. I think she's reacting to the fact that she feels her youth was cut short by early marriage.
Yes, it's a natural which she got herself into in the first place by being wayward.
It's okay, Mama. Even though sometimes I feel that she's partly responsible for my misfortune, but I also know that I played my own part in the whole problem. So
thank God that you know that she's a part of your misfortune. I know the son I gave birth to. If she had closed her legs back like a woman, you would have zipped your own up by. But no, she knows how to.
okay. I did not even come here because of Chimamanda. I go because of nature.
What about him?
But that's why I've said I should bring him to Lagos on my next visitor. That they'll be taking care of him.
What can I say? I know Esther will take care of him very well, just like
that left leg you complained about the other time, how is it faring?
Let alone. Thank God for the pills you said to me the other day. Yes, I am. What, you're not sleeping?
I was, but I didn't see you in bed.
I'm watching TV.
It didn't seem to me like you were watching TV.
But I said I'm watching TV.
Okay, fine. So are you coming to bed now?
I'll join you. Okay. I did not mean to slap him.
Sorry?
What? I thought you had... Oh no, I didn't say anything. Seriously, I'll meet you up in the room. Okay.
Onyema, I beg you, leave my house now.
So my simple words don't move you. If you don't feel my pain, if you can't feel my pain, why not feel his? Whatever happened in the past has happened. I know I made my mistakes and I'm begging you, please forgive me. For his sake. For our sakes. Please. Chima.
I can see that you're not deterred by all
you will take this piece of bondage that you call your son and leave my apartment now.
Chima, what has taken over you so completely that you feel absolutely no compassion for your own son? The first fruit of your womb. Your son. Nothing.
All right.
Get out! Get out! Get out of my house! I said get out now! Get this thing out of my house! Get out! Take it out! Take it out! Take it out! Get out!
Oh God. You will not spoil it. You will not spoil it. You will not spoil it.
Man, Uyema, you've been through a lot, man. Yeah, man, you've really been through. So, Mama, what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
And to think, man, the glamorous Amanda Abi. Amanda is your ex-wife.
I paid the dowry. She's still my wife.
But she doesn't want you anymore. She doesn't need you. So what are you going to do now?
I guess I'll take my son to my brother in Lagos. And now just continue to plan.
That's a good idea.
Well, guys, thank you for your concern. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your concern. Thanks, man. You guys are good friends. Thank you so much.
It's all good, man. It's all good.
Thanks, man. But this boy's really tired and sleepy, so I need to get him to bed.
Alright, let me see. So, you're big.
So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, yeah?
Just take it easy.
Yeah.
We'll meet you tomorrow.
Take care, man.
Honestly, I don't think I have the guts to approach them.
Just look at our huge bodyguards. Yeah, I'm so scared to approach them.
I can't forget what I heard. About what one of our bodyguards did to one guy just because he wanted to talk to the princess.
Really? What did they say that he did?
They said that he mercilessly manhandled this guy and asked him to go and spread the gospel.
The gospel? Joseph, Kichi, what gospel?
St. Matthew, whatever it is. The gospel of what they are capable of doing to any intruder, I guess.
What would I want to have boyfriend in school? I think school is somewhere I could just concentrate and, well, only me knows what I'm facing, so I don't need
Look, I understand so much. You don't have to. I don't either, so.
They're ever saying that our case will be worse because they expect us to must have heard the gospel.
Exactly.
What are you saying? You know what? I think we should pass through our friend. You know, we can get to the princess through the friend.
Brilliant idea.
Nice idea.
Let's go.
Father, there's something I'd like to talk to you about.
Anything, my beauty.
Father.
Yes.
I want you to withdraw all the royal guards attached to me on campus.
Why, my love, if I may ask?
Yes, why?
Father, you cannot begin to imagine the kind of embarrassment they are causing me.
Embarrassment?
What? They deserve immediate punishment.
Yes. No, Father, that's not what I mean. You don't understand what I'm saying. Look, Father, there is no student that walks around the campus with royal bodyguards. It just makes people have a wrong impression of me.
And what is that, if I ask you?
Mother, people think I'm a snob. They think I'm arrogant. Besides, Mother, the worst of it is that they think I'm a child that cannot even take care of myself.
That is my beauty talking. Come. You are our baby. My last child. And my first daughter.
After 6 boys, princess. Oh, how I wish one of your brothers was in that school with you. I would have loved it so much.
Now, Lola, I prefer the school abroad.
They can take care of them.
They can take care of themselves.
Oh, so, Father, are you saying that I can't take care of myself?
No.
Father, you call me a lioness. That means I'm able to take care of myself.
That is my princess talking. Now, I declare immediate withdrawal of all the royal guards.
For what?
Except one. To help you at home in school.
No, Daddy. I want everyone withdrawn. Father, let me do things for myself, at least for once.
But you know that...
No, Lord. I think I see her point. All your wishes are granted.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now that your father has granted your request, I know you're very happy.
Yes, Mommy. I am so over the top. Like, I'm really happy.
Let me get something inside of that.
Adese, Adesoma, Adese, Adesoma, Adese, Adesoma.
No, seriously, like, I'm really happy. Like, I get to do things for myself. She looked like yesterday. I cooked. No, seriously, I did. No, but I won't lie to you now. Seriously, I cooked. I even swept the house. Like, I did stuff on my own. And it feels so good. I'm just tired of... I'm tired of people doing everything for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, now I can get to wear this. I don't have to wear that. What I wear every time. I can wear what every other girl is wearing. Now you know what freedom is. Don't you?
So, what did your father say?
Yeah, you know, it wasn't like... There's one thing my father does, right? If I tell him I want anything, he doesn't just say no, right? He said, it's not safe for you. You can't move around without your security. You know, your royalty. You should. I'm like, Daddy, no, this is what I really want. And he said, you can have it.
I am so happy.
This girls again. God, look. Let's just leave here. I mean, this smoke is doing something to my...
No. Were you in any way referring to us?
I cannot remember speaking to you.
Oh, you had better not.
Come on, Jace. Just take it easy, okay? It seems Her Royal Majesty is scared.
Oh! Hey, come. Scared of who? Scared, both of you? Little church rats? Not on your life.
And
Who the hell do you think you are? And who the hell do you think you are? Oh, sweetie, tell me!
Listen to me, okay? You are a princess. Blue blood are not supposed to be caught bantering words with commoners.
No, leave me. Let me face that. Just because I'm a princess doesn't mean I will sit down and take your nonsense from these low lives. People that are not even qualified to be my servants.
I understand, but they're not worth it. Do you understand?
Sure they're not.
They're beneath you. Let's get out of here. This place is obviously so defiled.
No, come and sit down. Come and sit here.
Fools.
Yes. Did you hear that? The other one is a princess too. Oh God. I wish I was a princess.
Fool! That is what you are. Big fat fool. Idiot. Get out! Get out!
God. Did I say anything wrong?
Excuse me, please. Can we have a minute of your time?
Okay. Okay, thank you. I will just go straight to the point, avoid wasting much of your time. We all here witnessed what transpired between you and one princess. So we have come to apologize on her behalf.
And you guys are...
Yeah, sorry, pardon my rudeness. I am Joseph Bayo, and this is Nkechi.
Theatre Arts Department. Okay. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Good.
Nice to meet you. Right. How far? Bye, right? Guys, honestly, I have nothing against that lady.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course. Come on now. I know it's really humiliating what she did. I mean, slapping me like that, but at the end of the day, no, shit happens in life.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so guys. Okay, I don't see for this movie before. Just you know the professor or whatever it does.
I'm always around.
Wow. Just like that.
Wow. Imagine this guy.
Well, let's go.
Oh, so let's go ahead. Thank you for giving us your time. We are here on behalf of Onyema. We want you to understand the kind of psychological trauma he is now in. Not as if he wants to retaliate, nothing of such. But it will be justifiable on your friend's part to apologize and make peace.
Listen, Nkem, you're well aware that the princess has stepped on so many toes on this campus. People who could harm her at any given opportunity.
Did you just say that?
Oh, no, Cam. But you know, the princess should not mistake Onyema's silence for stupidity or cowardice, because no man can take what he took from her and stick in his gun.
I guess you have to talk to the princess so that she can apologize to Onyema. Some are swallow her pride.
Well, you guys are just talking as though she doesn't have a choice. Or would I say I'm presenting some threats?
No. Certainly nothing of such. Not at all. Now, I want you to see it in this way. We all here know you didn't support any of our action that day. Just like Nkechi earlier said, that your friend has stepped on so many toes. So apologizing to this guy is an opportunity. I mean, very great opportunity for her setting off a new record in this institution and creating a new self-image for herself, where everybody has seen her as rude and arrogant. Good girl.
Which she is not. She's not a bad person. But I will talk to her and I'll try my best. No guarantee though. You know, my apologies to him. No, wait a minute. I hope he didn't send you guys here.
No, just concerned students.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem then. I will try my best, like I said.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.
What is this? What is this? Did I ask you to get me red wine? Come here, you nitwit! Did I ask you to get me red wine? I said champagne, you idiot! Get this thing out of my sight! Get it out! Nonsense! Such a... Olachi, what's wrong with you? What? Does it look like anything is wrong with me?
You know I'm your friend and you can tell me anything.
And I'm fine. Absolutely fine.
Oh no, you're not. Olachi, like I said, you can talk to me. Whatever is bothering you, the other night I slept here, I heard you say, I'm sorry while you were sleeping. Oh yes, don't be surprised. If you keep this thing within you and you don't tell anybody about it, you only die in silence.
I don't know what has spoken for me. I've been so rude to everybody, and you know, like the other day in the library, remember what happened? I shouldn't have slapped that guy. I mean, no, I that was wrong. I should have handled it in a more mature way, but you know the worst thing? When I looked into his eyes, he's a nice person. He doesn't look like a hostile person. Otherwise, trust me, I would have known how to handle it, but I saw a smiling face. I feel so bad. Trust me.
That's all that's bothering you. Don't worry about it. We'll find a way to. But that's not the one thing you did.
I don't know what is wrong with me. I just.
Yeah, hello? Okay. Where are you? Okay, thank you. We are coming.
Let's go.
I know, but not in front of all the students.
But you agreed to it.
I know I did. My heart is failing me. I'm scared. I don't have the courage to.
You don't have to be scared. I will be with you all through. Why would your heart fail you? I just want you to do the right thing. Prove everybody wrong that you're not the kind of person they think that you are.
Look, it's not going to be that easy.
Come on.
Okay. I'll do it. I know they're all going to be surprised, but I guess I don't have much of a choice. I didn't mean to do it. I don't know what God wants to do.
So, my sweet 16, have you thought of what we discussed?
Chief.
My dear, there's no M in this. I've told you my stand on this issue. I want you as my wife.
No, Chief. As your concubine. You already have a wife and children.
Did I hear you say children? Did you say children? 4 girls, daughters. So, what am I going to do with 4 girls? So who will inherit my empire when I'm gone? All these girls will be married off to some men somewhere. I'm left with nothing. So you see, I want you to bear me a son.
Perhaps, Chief, there is a law in your land that states that women should not bear children after 4 issues.
No. That is not what I'm saying. You see, my wife has this issue. There's a problem. Of those 4 children, the last 2 were delivered through operation. See? And the doctor warned us not to have any more children or even try it because she might lose her life through that. So, we place her on a permanent family planning method.
Really?
Yes.
What sort?
Oh, we'll just remove her fallopian tube.
And she agreed to that?
Of course. Does she have any choice? I mean, of course, initially she put up a fight, but she had to agree. It is to save her life. So you see my problem now? Eh? I need you to bear me a son. And when I look at my wife at home, I don't desire her anymore. She doesn't give me that thing that makes my heart go for joy. So I look outside in marriage for that. And I found you. I found you. And I love you. And I love everything about you. You see? So, what do you say?
Chief, it's a bit too sudden. You'll have to give me some time.
Well, of course. But for how long, my sweet, eh?
Soon, Chief.
Soon.
Can we leave this restaurant? They refuse to bring the food. I'm very hungry.
Really, they're not usually like this. The food will be here. Not just cheese. We already ordered now.
But we can leave. After all, how much was it?
I would like to see you smile, huh? That is my sweet 16. I just love you.
What's up now? It's not coming out.
It's not. I'm trying to fix it. Babe! What are you doing there? The TV is not coming on. I'm trying to do it.
I beg you, leave television. They go buy you another one after day.
I trust you now. You know.
So it's awesome. What you doing?
Nothing. I'm glad you guys are home.
Oh. You remember I said I had something to tell you guys?
Oh, yes.
It's about Chief. You all know why I'm dating Chief, right?
Of course now.
Cash now.
Okay. Right now, he doesn't want my body as payment anymore.
So what does he want?
He wants my precious hand in marriage, in his dreams. Why are you all staring at me as if I just rejected a free ticket to Mallorca?
Babe, that is what you've done, okay? I don't understand. Chief asked your hand in marriage and all you could do was reject it? Hello?
Wait, Amanda. Chief Leo, one of the biggest car dealers in this town proposed to you and you're wasting time. Come off it, girl.
Girls simply amaze me. You just amaze me. Do you know there's no price to my freedom? More so, his conditions. I can't, I beg.
Conditions? What conditions?
That I bear him a son.
What? That's absurd.
No, I didn't get it. I don't get it. Did his wife just die?
According to him, his wife already has 4 daughters and she cannot afford to give birth again because they had cut off her fallopian tubes. He had severed it on his own account. He advised her to. All his children, CS.
You don't say.
Yes.
So what's the food?
No, he says that she can no longer give birth, you know, because if she tries it will jeopardize her life. So it's me now that she come and give me a son.
You know what? This is becoming interesting. So tell me more.
I don't understand. So why did you reject the proposal? Why? Oh, do you also think you cannot give him?
Wait. Do I look like a baby making factory to you? Do I? Am I God?
Okay,
wait, am I God?
Oh, it's okay, fine. I know you're not God, okay? But then this thing takes time. It takes time. From the time you take in to time of delivery, you know, there's so much time in between and then you can comfortably woo him to your side.
Your point being?
Accept the proposal, okay? Accept it. You don't know, with time, you will just, I'm sure you will succeed in gaining all he has, right?
You know what, Jess? You never cease to amaze.
Alright, guys. Alright. I beg you, don't do. I will think about it.
You better do.
Just think about it.
You wear clothes, you want for us. You guys have food, I beg. You're eating food, baby.
I'm so happy for you, Oni, that after what you've been through, you still have the strength to move on. It's not easy. Eh? I praise your courage.
Thank you very much, Auntie Amaka. I know that I disappointed everyone with my actions in the past, but I'm also very lucky that I'm surrounded by people who understand that life is not about how many times one falls, but how many times one gets up after a fall. After my discussion with my brother's wife, Esther, my eyes opened to many things. And I'm glad that she helped me realize that going back to school will make my life better. See my life today. I really thank God. And Auntie, to you, there's only one thing that I can say all the time. Thank you. And to your husband too, for your support, both financially, morally, and otherwise. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Don't worry. He's God. All glory be to God. Just keep it up, okay? If I have more, I will do. I have to leave now because it's getting so dark. Please.
Let me call Mama so that she can see you.
Okay, no problem. Be fast.
For a while now, you girls have asked questions about my past. It's one of the many reasons I refused Chief's proposal. I am a married woman with a son.
Chimamanda. Chimamanda.
Mama? You call me?
Sit down. Chimamanda.
Mama?
Have you lacked anything since the death of my husband, your father?
No, Mama.
Are you sure? I know why I am asking. The way I feel now, I feel like burying you alive.
Mama?
Yes. Because I don't know why you have chosen to disgrace me and put tears in my eyes, just like your sister Chinasa did.
Mama, I don't understand though.
You don't understand. You don't understand if he's a madman that got you pregnant. Or you don't understand when you got pregnant. Eh? Which one? Chimamanda.
Mama?
is responsible for this?
Mama.
Chimamanda.
Mama.
Are you deaf? Oh, you want to run, eh?
No, Mama.
If you move an inch now, you will see demons. Chimamanda.
Mama.
Talk.
Nobody.
Hi. You are timing my easy. Chimamanda.
Mama.
I have decided to kill you before you kill me. The only thing that will save you is to tell me who is responsible.
Nobody, you.
Chimamanda.
Mama.
Stop! Chimamanda.
Mama. Mama.
Ogini, are you ready to confess now? Are you ready to tell me who it is?
Yes, we are all here in Mama Onyema's house to talk about Onyema, my boy. Onyema is a boy with a promising future. But where he went wrong is what I don't know. In fact, the most annoying part is that I trusted him more than all the boys serving under me. He is so intelligent, so hardworking, so articulate in business that sometimes it got me thinking, why didn't he further his education? And that is why we are all here today, disappointed.
Mr. Mbakwe, I thank you very much for everything. My face is covered with shame and my heart is filled with tears. Just for the sake of my late brother, David, who entrusted Onyema to my care. I wanted to send Onyema to school, just as I did to his elder brother Marital. I single-handedly saw him through his school. But Onyema refused. He said he wanted to learn trade. When I heard about it, I approached you, knowing that I can trust you. But see what I'm saying. Well, the deed has been done. I know we are here to hear from you what you have to say about Onyema's apprenticeship.
Thank you, Mr. Nwora. When the mother of the girl came to me, my first reaction would have been to send Onyema packing from my house. But on the second thought, I realized that he has been good to me, he has been hardworking and diligent in business. Then on a second thought, I decided to have a change of heart.
So, where is all this talk leading us to? Too much grammar. Are you telling us midnight tales? Cut your story short and go straight to the point. See, me, Agnes Oko, we never take it with any useless. Hold it right there. Today, look at this woman. You think you can walk into my compound and call my precious, handsome, promising son useless? Not of my life. Look at this woman. You are a shameless woman. You are a very stupid woman. You couldn't teach your daughter morals. You couldn't tell your daughter to close her legs. Because I know my son. If you taught your daughter how to close her legs and not to open door, Papa Marabo. I'm on your home. Look at you. That your daughter to reach my family. You have failed. This is not work. You don't look at you. We shall see.
Enough.
We shall see.
Hey. Agnes, enough. Sit down.
You couldn't teach your daughter.
Enough.
Okay.
We have not come here to quarrel, but we have come here to find solution to this problem. Let's put our heads together and find solution to this problem.
Ladies, please, let us watch what we say to each other. I know we are all sad, we are all angry, but please, let us talk with caution. Please. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I called Onyema. I asked him if he loved the girl enough to want to marry her. He told me that actually he loves the girl. But the truth is that he is not ready for marriage.
What? Is he? Who is not ready for marriage? Hey! Agnes, if you give Onyema, or whatever he is called. I'm not Chagochi man that he jara. Should not enter here. Where if you would also, we shall see. He can must only about Agnes. He can must only about Agnes. Okay, I get it. You know what? What do you?
Okay. I advised him that it is not right for him to leave the first seed in his life to become a bastard. Right. So, based on that, we decided that I will pay the bride price. Then I am going to give him 150,000 naira and a shop, despite the fact that he still has 2 years to serve under me.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Man. You are a wise man. You've spoken like a wise man.
This house. Hey, it will not happen. How much I give you?
It was just a landlord. Now, it's every single thing that passes in trousers. Come here. Where have you been this morning? Eh? You have left your home all day, leaving a small baby here and leaving me to tend to a child. What is the meaning of all this? What? Am I not talking to a human being?
You are talking now. You are talking to a human being. You are talking to a human being. Is it because I got money and come back in that? Leave my hand!
Chimamanda, I know why I have been enduring all this. Eh? Is It's because of the fact that we did not plan we did not plan to do this at this time. But now, it's not that I will not have married you eventually, but look, Chimamanda, for the sake of this boy, for the sake of peace and unity, let's try to work.
You are who? You are who? You are who? See there, Onyema, one day, Moki will go back, you don't come back again, no? Try to hear me. Useless, foolish man.
Me?
Yeah.
Useless, foolish.
Mama, me, I'm not going back to the house. Oh. I'm not going back to the house. Every day, quarter.
My daughter, you have to endure it. I had better plans for you, but you chose this one. You have to live with it, my dear.
Bye, Mama.
It's alright. Tomorrow morning, I will take you back to your husband's place.
Mama, you are not listening to me, oh. You're not listening to me, oh. One day you come and carry my cups, oh. You come and carry my cups.
God forbid. You have to go and sleep now. It's already past midnight. Let tomorrow come first. I will know what to do.
Hey! Chimamanda! Hey, oh, Joy! Hey, you have changed so much.
You too. Hey, long time no see. Where have you been?
I got married to that Onyema. That's my boyfriend in secondary school.
That's Onyema? Are you serious? So, what about it?
I don't have a son. I'm married.
You have a son? So where is your son now?
He's at home.
At home? You don't go to school anymore. Why?
I want to go, but no money.
The problem is to start first, not money. Okay? But do you still have intention of going back to school?
Hey now.
Then come, I'll help you.
Hey.
Because education is the key to everything now.
Joyo.
Yes, you go back to school, everything will be alright, okay?
Hell, thank you. I was going to buy bread for my family.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
I finally spoke to her to help me gain admission into the university. She did that just before she graduated.
So, how did you solve the issue of your husband and child?
I left them for good.
You did? Why?
Peace. That's one question I have no answer to. I guess I wanted a new life. I wanted a new identity. I was formerly known as Chimamanda Onwara. But now I changed my name. No, not now. Like, you know, some time ago I changed my name. Changed my name to Amanda Peters. Regrets? No, I have none. I have no regrets. My only regret is the fact that Onyema is in this school with me. What do I tell Chief? Where do I go from here? What do I tell him?
Okay, it's fine. You don't have to tell him anything, okay? Oh, sure, you have to tell him something. Okay, Onyema hasn't taken back his dowry, and Chief will also want to pay a dowry. You just have to tell him something.
My fears, exactly.
This is getting so difficult. Why don't you tell him a lie? Okay, just lie to him. Tell him you were raped, okay, and then you got pregnant, and then your village people, you know, just lie to him. They asked him to pay a dowry on your head, okay? So, or else he faces your village oracle. Just, I don't know, just tell him something, please. How can you ever say that?
That might be it, Jess. That might be the answer to my problems.
Just try it.
Oh my God, that might be it. So sorry. So sorry.
Yeah, just stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
So sorry.
It's okay.
Master sister, I hope it's good news.
Daddy, I've decided to give that proposal of yours a thought.
You have? That's good. Very good. You see, a trial will convince you.
Are you sure?
I'm very positive. You see, when a man says something and he does it, that is when you know he is a man. You will not regret this. Listen, I will do everything to make your life comfortable.
Why are you not eating? I thought you said you were hungry.
I'll eat, but...
Okay, let me help you.
very beautiful.
Thank you. You don't look bad either. No, seriously. Eat. You know, I really can't believe you're sitting down like this talking, you know, like after everything. Come, why are you staring at me like that?
So, where is the child now? That's okay. That's all right, baby. Don't worry. See, that shows me you're a real woman. A son, for that matter. And you're a very good son. You will. You're a real woman. I'm very happy. And I love you more for it. That's what it says.
He hasn't collected his diary. No, my bride price. My bride price. He hasn't collected it.
No, don't worry. He will. He will. Come here. Come to daddy.
That's my sweet 16.
And by tomorrow morning, I will pick you up.
Let me go inside.
There's something I have to tell you that may mar this relationship. But trust me, it'll be worse if you heard it from somewhere else.
Look, you're scaring me. What is it?
Please don't be scared. It's about my past, and it's not very pleasant.
Okay, but I'm ready to listen. Tell me, what is it? You mean you have a son?
He's, my past is not very pleasant. I've made a lot of mistakes in there.
So, where is your wife now?
In this school.
What?
I didn't know until I gained admission. I had heard tales of how wild she is now, and well, her name is Chimamanda Honora. My friends call her Amanda.
Take me out of here.
Hot like fire, hot like fire, hot like fire.
Even in school.
Hot like fire, hot like fire, hot like fire. You're not, they are hot.
Hey you. Oh my god.
You're not, they are hot.
Hey, you two, what was the meaning of all that? They're departmental chicks, don't you know them? Jess, why are you pretending you haven't seen me?
Of course I saw you, Mrs. Amanda.
Silly girls. So tell me, girls, what's been happening? I have missed school a lot. So many things, babe. But not to worry, I'll fill you in.
Professional gossip.
Wait.
Right on.
Wait. What's that?
My dear, that is one of the hottest gists on campus you have been missing.
Such a compatible couple. God,
I love them together.
Shut up.
I mean, I love the way she dresses. So unique.
Shut up.
So, what are they doing together?
Dating, of course.
Dating?
Yes, babe. Dating.
Impossible. Oy.
Yeah, and considering the way they met, it appeared impossible, but you know this thing called love. It does play on us, you know.
So, what point are you trying to make, gossip girl?
Oh yes, I was saying something, wasn't I? Sorry, my mind drifted. Remember once we had the princess slapped a guy in a lecture hall?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That was your Onyema.
What?
Well, you can't be serious.
How come they're together? How?
Ask me, oh, Mr. Love, where are you? Please come out. We have a question for you. Ask me again. Today, Chris. You're playing with us, I know. Look at your face, darling. Oh, good.
She's hot. You're not.
Okay. I think it's time for me to take my leave.
No, why? You can just stay.
Can't you see that he's been dying to tell you something? Please listen to me. I mean, people make mistakes. Ever since you told me everything that he told you, I've been doing a lot of thinking. I did not hide anything from you. And that, my dear, is love. Look, I know. You know I love you. And I think he's a good man. He has a good heart. True. I know what to do. Well, I'll trust you on that you really know what to do. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Indeed. 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 Wake up, my dear. You up? I need for you to listen to me very carefully.
Is everything all right?
Oh, of course. But not really. You see, since we had our last baby, we have not been able to have another child. Not that I'm blaming you or is any fault of yours, and I know you vehemently kicked against the family planning we did. But the sad story now is, I don't have a son.
You see? When I refused to do that, it was as if I was stubborn. But deep inside my spirit, I knew that a day like this will come.
Hear me out, eh? Hear me out. I am not blaming you. You are not to blame for anything that happened. You know. But what am I to do? The doctor suggested that was the best way out.
You should have insisted we tie the fallopian tube, not sever it.
I don't want any mistakes. Your life is precious to me.
That man is not God. Believe in God. At least maybe 5 years more. And everything will have been okay. I leave everything to him. I know he will make me smile again. I know he will wipe my tears.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing again. Good night.
Well, Idiamaka, I just want to tell you that I am taking a new wife. So prepare yourself for it. Good night, my dear.
About the vice president of student union. She invited me for her birthday party, but I don't think I'll go if you're not coming with me, so I just want to know if you're coming.
I don't like parties.
I understand, I know you don't, I don't either, but I mean, she really pleaded with me, like she really wants me to be there, so let's just go, just a couple of hours. I can't go there alone.
What time?
8 o'clock, but I made her promise me I wasn't staying all night today. No, it's tomorrow. I
don't know.
Please, I really want you to come now, Kim.
So you're not going to be there?
He was also invited, so he's coming.
Really, I don't know. I'll try.
Is that a yes?
I'll try. I'm not promising you anything.
The SUG presidents, the SUG schools, and all other deputies and presidents, my fellow students. You are all welcome to this very distinguished occasion, the birthday of our very own, the SUG vice president. Without much ado, let us quickly introduce the celebrants. The very distinguished morning star. Wow. Give it up for Miss Joy Martin.
Hello everybody. Hi. You're welcome to my birthday party. Wow. Am I excited tonight? I am very excited. I really appreciate your coming here tonight. Well, as you all know me, I'm not a lady of too many words, but of action. And I just want to tell you you all to just feel free, enjoy yourselves, catch your phone, do whatever you want to do. Just do your thing. Just do it. Because I am in charge here. Thank you once more. Thank you.
Now, before the commencement of this party, let us join our celebrants in cutting the cake. Now, She's going to cut the cake at the countdown of 3. Okay? Now, 3. 3. I can't hear you. 3. 3. 2. 1. And DJ, start the music.
Oh yeah, hey, tell me now, you don't bless my papa, you don't bless my mama, you don't bless my brother, you don't bless me in this life. So many choices to make, Remember when I sleep in a studio, eating a studio, they dream today go. Just yesterday, when I did cry, the man tell me say my music it don't matter. I don't mind everybody, I want to follow. Hey, now my time to blow, my time to know. Listen everybody, you go like to follow. As the music they carry me, they go to they snap me photo, they want make a joke. When I'm my time to blow, now my time to blow. Tell everybody make me give me the chance, cause I do the beat, I do the beat, I know they sing the song, I sing the song, I do the beat, I do the beat, I know they sing the song, I sing the song, I do the dance, Like this here to give one all the day. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You must see when I want to go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. Everybody want you so low. You go tell me where you carry me, they go. This music is the time me go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You they carry me, they make me when I'm feeling that I'm lost. When I sing again, you they make me go low. It's when I dance again, you they tell me go low. It's when I sing again, you they make me go low. When I dance again, I'm gonna you me they tell me go low. Baby now make I tell you my like, baby why you the jogodo, the travel to Kano just to Sokoto. One my thing don't togologo. I dey try to repent, I don't wanna go for here. Now they hear me so, she carry my heart to go, Oh my girl, you don't carry my heart, you go kill me for here. Go, I like this singing, everybody's dancing, Music is my life, and music is my wife. You want me to quit, I'm killing it. But if you don't know, my music they make me smile, and they make me the swagger. But you in case you there, make you follow me, ask the question, I don't know. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You must see when I want to go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. Everybody want you so low. You go tell me where you carry me, they go. This music is the time me go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You they carry me, they make me when I'm feeling that I'm lost. When I sing again, you they make me go low. It's when I dance again, you they tell me go low. It's when I sing again, you they make me go low. When I dance again, I'm gonna you me they tell me go low. Inspirations they come from above, Listen to yourself, then you try to set a goal. No. You try, you know walk, you go try, you know surrender. You've got to they go, got to they move on. Life is not easy. If you believe, then you can achieve. Now they tell you this, cause I don't come and I saw and I try to they conquer. Got to keep your head up, you really wanna make it. So many wanna run you down, no wanna stop it. Got to move on, keep on believing in yourself. You go make all my brother, but my wife, easy. You got to pray, you go make it. So I know, so I love everybody yet I really want to know. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You must see when I want to go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. Everybody want you so low. You go tell me where you carry me, they go. This music is the time me go low. You must tell me where you carry me, they go. You they carry me, they make me when I'm feeling that I'm lost. When I sing again, you they make me go low. When I dance again, you they tell me go low. When I sing again, you they make me go low. When I dance again, I'm gonna you me they tell me go low. They tell me go low. And you they tell me go low. And you they make me see. And you they make me shine.
I just want to say thank you for accepting me too. My past, my flaws, everything. Really appreciate it.
You know,
Before I came here, it was just me, my friends, my family, and my father's. It was like a small world until I got exposed to being in school. Coming here has made me realize that life is not just about trying to make everything perfect. You know, everybody makes mistakes. Some you can correct, some you have to leave. You do not owe your life to anybody. You cannot dictate when fate or the tide of fate takes you to tomorrow. Now look at you. Just yesterday, you're just like any other guy. And today, you've become the prince of my heart. And I love you. When you did
Well, what do we have here? A romance brewing?
Chimamanda, take your goons and get away from here, please. We don't want any trouble.
Of course I will. Wait a minute. Is this not the little princess who woos her Prince Charming with a sweet dirty slap?
I'm warning you.
Oh yes, come on, hit me. It's your stock in trade. Go on, hit me. Do it. Go on, hit me. As for you, my darling, I do not envy you. Or haven't you heard that in real life, princesses do not eat leftovers?
Ever heard of blue blood? No, I don't think so. So I wouldn't expect you to know what it means. A royal blood rises to defend his object of interest, be it animate or inanimate. As for leftovers, Chimamanda Omora ni what? I take that to mean that you're beginning to understand what I meant by blue blood. That's if you're not terribly dumb. Which I suppose, as I was saying, there's a saying that says that when a king eats whatever he chooses, his subjects understand that he must passionately desire whatever he decides to eat. As for you girls, I would be kind enough to employ you to work in my palace. Oops. Oh, I forgot something really vital. The only people qualified to take such noble jobs must be virgins, and unfortunately, you all are disqualified because you have been so highly defiled. Take me home, sweetheart.
Twat. Silly twat. Onyema, I want to get on with my life. You and I no longer have anything. Please, I beg you, take your bride price back.
Every single time I wanted to talk to you about anything, the only thing I got was embarrassment, mixed with some threats and a healthy dose of your nasty attitude. So, why should I even listen to you in the first place?
Oyema, we've been standing here for 2 hours talking about the same thing. I'm not shouting. I'm begging you. Please.
When did we ever have to beg me for anything? Never. I gave you all. My body, my soul, my all. You trampled on it. You spat on the very essence of my soul, my being. And then you asked me to listen to you. Is this a joke?
I'm getting married.
Really?
If you don't take it back, this marriage will not hold when you're married.
It's okay. Just tell your mother to drop it with my mother in the village. I hope that clears everything up.
You're not dead, you're alive.
All of a sudden, it's very convenient for you to acknowledge my existence. I'm alive. You left me alone. You abandoned a 1-year-old child. Think about that.
Please, I don't know you to be heartless. Only. I've tried everything, Chief, but he has refused. He's very heartless.
Do you think he still has interest in the marriage?
Ah, Chief, no now. Is he not the one that drove me away and collected my son? He said I ruined his life. Look at how he's treating me now.
Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I know what to do. I said don't worry. Where's the smile now? Smile for daddy. Smile for daddy. Yeah, that is good. That's my sweet 16. Now I've spoken. Yes. So, that is how I left it for now.
Ikem, I still think that taking a new wife is not the best at all. Let her get pregnant first, and let's see how big the young tendril develops.
Wow.
But Ikem, your wife is an epitome of virtue.
Well.
This life, I can't understand. You know I have 3 sons and 2 daughters.
I know.
My sons followed the route of their wicked mother. But thank God that my daughters are my only consolation.
Hey, but Nandi, better a wicked son than none.
You don't understand. But I still think you consider adoption as I suggested to you earlier.
God forbid. The gods forbid that.
It's good now.
God forbid. I forbid it. My ancestors forbid it. I, Chief Nkenefuna, Okindilin, adopt. It does not beget my status. Besides, I want my own blood on the seat in my empire when I'm gone.
Okay, all right. Bear in mind that delay is not denial. I know you want to make her your wife soonest. First thing first.
this love brought about true love.
You're welcome. Good afternoon, ma. You're welcome. Thank you. Who is the person that you came with?
Mama, always impatient.
You know your mother.
Mama, this is Princess Oluchi, the woman that is going to be my wife.
My daughter, is it true? Yes. Hey!
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Ndamaka, I just finished speaking with Dr. Stevens. Now, what was that nonsense he was telling me?
I can see.
You see what? You see, You see your life. You see your life. Ndamaka, I have spent 6 million naira for medical bills, both at National Hospital Abuja and abroad, to get to the best gynecology and deal with this your family planning issue. I don't know what you did with the money. In spite of all the advice, warnings, you got pregnant. So you want the father to play on my neck?
I can explain.
Explain what? Okay, I'm listening.
Have faith that God will still give me another child. This time male. So I couldn't destroy what makes me a woman.
Madam Dictionary. Okay, I know. So you want your father to be at my neck? Because you know that he will blame me if anything happens to you. You know that? You see, you did not only deceive me, you have taken me for a ride. A very long ride. And I'm telling you, I'm tired of that. It's enough and it will stop tonight. So I've made up my mind that tonight you will pack your load and go to family house.
Please, remember how we started?
Have not forgotten? How can I forget? You used to be very, very honest, loyal, faithful. But since you follow your pack of lies and deceit, I don't understand you anymore. So I've made up my mind that today you will pack your load and return to your parents' house.
Please don't do this to me. It's me. Don't do this. Look at me. It's me. It's Didi.
Ndamaka, God bear me witness. You are going to your parents' house on the next available flight.
Ike, please. Ike.
Yeah? Come.
Chief, this is your house. How can you bring me here?
Darling, I have brought you here because I want you to live here with me.
Chief, but what about your wife and children?
I have sent them packing. It's all for you.
Hey, Chief, what will people say of me? What would they think of me?
My sweet 16. Don't ever think about what people will say. Think about us. See, it is not that I cannot afford to rent an apartment for you somewhere, but I don't want that. I don't want somebody to be at home and be worrying and nagging me about not coming home in time, or even when I don't want to come back home at all, when I want to spend time with you. I want you with me 24/7.
That's why I love you, Chief.
I love you so much, my dear. Come on, let's go inside. More surprises for you. Let's spoil today. Let's go in. More surprises, eh? We have a smaller garden on the other side.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, gee. I hope the food was to your taste, my chief.
Oh, my dear, I enjoyed it. You know, I just love everything about you, my sweet 16. You said there's good news.
Guess.
That only my boy. He has agreed to take back his dowry.
No, chief.
And then what is it, my angel? But, you are smiling, so you can't be hungry.
Rest your humor, chief. It's there.
What's that? Are you pregnant? You are pregnant?
Yes, chief.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh my God, I'm so overjoyed. Oh, I just love you, my sweet 16. You know what? A brand new car for you.
Chief, I already have a car.
Am I complaining? Huh? See, just give me a son, and the whole world is there for you to take. Hmm? Oh, come here, my dear. Oh, I'm so happy.
Joel! Joel, open the gate! Look at. I know here. Go girls! Wow! I'm right now!
Jeez, oh my God. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. You made my day.
You're welcome.
Amanda, you are in heaven. I mean, heaven on earth. Jeez.
My dear, that is an understatement. This is paradise.
No. Amanda's in Wonderland. Wait till you see the rest. So come with me.
You're not. They are hot.
Oh my God.
They are hot. You're not. They are hot.
Say what?
She's hot. You're not. She's hot.
Oh my God.
She's hot. You're not. She's hot.
Already comfortable.
Hot like fire. Hot like fire.
My dear, you're enjoying. I can see why you forgot us so soon.
Settling down wasn't easy. I can tell you. It's not easy. It's not exactly what I expected out of marriage. Amanda, you still smoke? He doesn't know. What about his wife? What's that supposed to mean? Am I not his wife?
I wonder.
But... Or you mean the other woman?
Yeah.
He sent her packing. 4 Mandas.
Are you serious? Oh, darling, everything is working out for you. I beg, no forget me, oh man. No forget me. No forget me. Okay.
Never. You know, Chief is such a wonderful man. I don't know, he's tremendous. He treats me like this princess who shouldn't, you know.
Oh.
You know, he just, I don't know, he just, can you imagine? Chief showers me with gifts.
Oh.
You know what?
Is my mouth smelling?
What am I supposed to do now?
Just put the cigarette inside. Hey God, you're gonna catch you smoking now, please. He doesn't like smoke. Hey. Chief!
Amanda,
Chief.
what is going on here?
Chief, it's just my friends. They just came to visit, just visited.
Come and sit me down.
Okay, Chief.
I don't want those girls listening with me anymore, okay?
But you know them now, Chief. You know they're my friends.
I just told you my mind. I don't want you to hang around them anymore. You go there now and tell them to leave.
Chief, they're my friends. You can't do it. You're joking now. You can't.
Me?
What
Joking?
was this? What's all this? What do you think you're doing, Chief?
I'll do it for you.
Chief!
Married life.
Don't tell me Chief actually sent his wife packing because of Amanda.
Did not say anything.
Hey, you. Now get up and get out of my compound.
Amanda, what's the problem?
Oh, I don't know, Chief.
Now,
Chief.
you don't want me to let the dogs loose on you, do you?
Chief, what's the meaning of all that? What's the meaning of that? Wait now, please, wait.
What? What for? So that was why you asked us here, right? To embarrass us.
No, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, girls. I'm sorry.
I don't envy you at all, okay?
Please,
Come
let's
on,
just go. Let's go, please.
Jess, peace.
What was the meaning of that embarrassment outside?
No, that was because I don't want my wife mingling with those wayward girls that can corrupt you or even mislead you.
Those girls were there long before I met you, long before I moved in here.
That they belong in your past and they should stay there.
Oh my, I don't believe you. I will not subscribe to this rubbish.
Amanda, I sent my wife and children packing because of you, to make you happy. Now why can't you just do this for me? Why not?
If you wanted me to dismiss them and the more civilized manners in which we have done it, rather than being so barbaric.
Well, listen, Amanda, I did not mean to be barbaric, okay? But it is just that I don't want those girls interfering with our relationship. I want us to be happy together. See, I want you to be happy.
Really?
Yes.
Then, it has got to be my way.
Amanda. Sweetie.
Today is a day of joy to me and my family. Whatever brings joy to my daughter, that I will always do. Wherever she finds joy, there I am. Onyema here brings so much joy to my daughter, Princess Oluchi. Who am I to stop her happiness? Therefore I, His Royal Majesty, the Obi of Obadu Kingdom, refer to Honor as my in-law, as I wait for them to come for further marriage rites. Lord, please bring my princess.
Behold the princess of Witout Kingdom, Oluchelebema, Ugonaya, the royal eagle, sweet princess, Oluchi, Elebokwe.
My princess. Do you know this young man here?
Yes.
He is here to ask for your hand in marriage. I know you are in agreement.
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Please, greet them.
Comes any close to me, I will so insult her. What?
Hey, Jess, take it easy now. Actually, it was not her fault. It's not her husband's arrogance.
Husband? Which husband? Has he paid her bride price? I beg. Let's discuss another thing.
Girls.
Hi.
Hey girls, I am so sorry. I'm so ashamed of how my husband treated you guys. I am so sorry.
You really need to be sorry. I said you need to be sorry. My dear Mrs. To be.
What do you mean, Mrs. To be?
Let me educate you. Has he properly married you? No. And all he does is dismiss your friends. And you just stand there and watch him. You couldn't even stand up to him.
But I did, babes. I did. I even had a brawl with him after you guys left.
Did you hear that? We even had a brawl after you guys left. In bed, of course.
Jessica.
Enough of that insult, Jessica.
You don't talk to me like that. Have you heard me? Don't talk to me like that. You think you can intimidate me? See Amanda. See Amanda. You don't forget that I know you in and out. You don't forget. I mean, because you did drive car for this school anyhow. Don't talk to me like that. Don't you ever in your life. Don't try it.
I see you have become very jealous. This, darling, is just the beginning. Come, Amanda. Don't walk out on your friends, okay? I wasn't walking. I'll see you there.
We shall see.
Nothing, girls. Nothing, Mega.
That was very bad.
Excuse me, Jerry. What's that?
Taking this whole thing personal.
Please. What is it?
Anyway, it's just the spur of the moment. Let's say something more serious. When is Chief coming to take us out?
My dear Chief is not coming again. You remember those new guys I told you of now? Those money bags. That is where we will be milking. Those guys have money. We have to eat it for them. Seriously. I won't do now. I won't do. We get happy. You know what drive me to?
I've been having running stomach since yesterday. That mother was like 8. It's been disturbing me. Usually happens though.
Yeah, sorry. You'll be fine. Better be fine, please, so that we can go out.
They're hot. You're not. They're hot.
Oh my God.
They're hot. You're not. They're hot. She's hot, you're not. She's hot. She's hot, you're not. She's hot. Hot like fire, hot like fire, hot like fire. Hot like fire, hot like fire, hot like fire. They are hot, you're not. They are hot.
Oh my God.
They are hot.
Ay! Jess, Tommy. Wait, I'm coming just a minute, okay?
Hurry up. Get my perfume when you're coming out. Sorry, Robin.
What's up? Babe, I'm dying, You know
these guys are new in this business now, They've been waiting for us. It's trying,
You just have to understand. I'm dying. My tummy.
Is it that serious?
It's very serious, so. Alright. I'll see you when you come back. Take care of yourself, Have fun.
Please, let's go.
You're not. They are hot.
I want you guys to clear this place. Construct a grave. Make sure it's deep. Okay. Did you get me?
Yes, Oga.
You. Push her in. Come on! Come on!
But they left immediately. God. What about the men? Are they still lodged here?
Wow, they have checked out.
Jesus. And she didn't say anything to you at all?
Not at all.
Good. Okay, let me just see a friend and talk to her, okay?
Hello? Yes, darling. I've just come from the ultrasound. Yes, I've done the scan. It's a boy. Just for you, darling. It's a boy.
Okay, I'm on my way home. Oh.
Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, my Lord and my God, I come before you in all humility. Lord, and I take solace in your word, which say that you have set me above nations this day, above kingdoms, Lord, to uproot, to pull down, to destroy that which is not of you, Lord. Therefore, this moment, Father, Lord God, I take authority on your word, Lord, and I said at this time, this strange woman in my house, Lord, shall never bear fruit. In the name of Jesus Christ, every fruit that shall come out of her, Lord, such a fruit shall be destroyed. It shall be destroyed. It shall be destroyed. In the name of Jesus Christ. Lord, you said that I am your chosen Lord. Father, Lord God, when you gave me my husband, you said that a man shall leave his family and cleave unto his wife. Therefore, what you, Lord, have joined together, let no man put asunder. Therefore, my Lord and my God, he came if nice, my husband, and no woman shall take him away from me. In the name of Jesus Christ, I claim what rightfully is mine. I claim what belongs to me, Lord. This moment, I send you angels of God to go and fight my battle. Fight my battle. I release the fire of God upon every strange woman in that house. Every strange woman, I release the fire of God upon.
see. It looks so nice. Thank you. See, now you have graduated to the mother of my son. Tell me now, where do you want me to build your mansion? Anywhere in the world. And we can start to build it right now. Oh, should I change your car? Very good. You have made me proud. Hey! Open now, my son. Welcome.
You need to give your wife some space. You need to give her time. Abstinence is the right word.
Dr. Martin, I understand. I am not a child. Huh? A 3-year-old burial person in the burial ground is no more a stranger to the burial ground. You know that? I know it's only one son so far, but I've been through 4 girls. So I know a woman's body. I will give my wife some time. Maybe after 1 year, I'll try for another son.
Chief, it's like you don't understand me. I said you need to give her time. Abstinence. Or do you want her to die?
How can I want my sister to die?
Her body is not okay for that now. Due to the prolonged labor she passed through, it affected her uterus. So you need to give her time.
No pregnancy at all.
No, for now.
My sweet 16. But I want another son then.
Afternoon, young lady. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
You're crying. What's the matter?
Father, I have a confession to make.
Confession? Okay, come with me. Come.
Yeah.
My in-law. How are you? Yes, I know. Welcome back. Yes. Wait, my in-law. Wait. Did you ask her why I sent her packing? No, my in-law. I can never insult my in-law. I'm just asking you. Did you ask Ndidiamaka why her husband sent her packing? Of course I know she's heavily pregnant. I know. What will she do with the pregnancy? Give back to another of those girls she always give back to. That is if she lives through it. I know what I'm talking. Because the doctor warned her never to do this again. But will she listen to me? She's stubborn. She disobeyed me. And she got pregnant. My in-law, you are not listening to me. I'm very sure your wife obeys what you tell her to do. Indeed, he does not listen to me. She's been stubborn. I'm very sure you will send a woman like that packing out of your house too. Well, all right. Well, that's our own problem. I have no hands in whatever happens to her because I have warned her. The doctor warned her. She refused and she get pregnant. That is her problem. She can give birth to her daughter, another girl, and then to hell with it. My can I have a wife and I cannot tell her what to do?
I still don't understand why you're delaying the payment of my dowry.
My sweet 16.
Ikemefuna, enough of that. Enough of it. We're doing it this week.
Okay. Anything for my queen. Come give me help. Come, my sweet 16. Are you happy now?
Chief!
Yes.
Chief!
Obina!
Chief! Obina!
What again? What?
Temperature!
That's alright. I'll just get my car keys.
Hey, Amanda!
Amanda! Be quick now, you know it's a long way to your village. Hello, Chief Nkem here. Yeah. Congrats on what? What? You must be the only one who doesn't know that I just lost my son. Which wife? What? Babe? Twins? Boys? Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, okay, I'll call you. Okay, yes. Thank you, I'll call you.
Chief, I'm ready.
Amanda.
Chief.
My sweet 16. I just got a call from my friend in Abuja. He said my wife had just put to bed.
Which wife?
My wife now.
Chief, what about my people? My dowry. Your kinsmen are waiting. You're going to pay my dowry now? Chief.
That is true. I have not forgotten. Okay, I have not forgotten. But you see, that one can wait. This cannot wait. I have to go and see my boys. Listen, Amanda, please go upstairs and bring me the top one, my brother. You know, and the matching shoes for this. Quick. Matching shoes.
Chief.
What are you doing? Listen, I have to be on the next flight to Abuja to see my boys, okay?
Chief.
See, I cannot waste time. I'm going on the next flight to Abuja.
Chief,
okay?
my people are waiting. Oh.
I will see them.
You came here for now.
Who is this?
Get out of my house!
My in-law.
I said get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out! Sami, get out! Get out! Get out! Sami! God, I have this thing coming to my house. Nonsense! Rubbish this! Nonsense! Can I have rest in my house?
My daughter.
Papa.
That day, we waited and waited for our in-laws to come, but we did not see them.
Papa, he got an urgent call from Thailand, so he had to go.
Yes, but Papa, he gave me this small thing to give you. Said you should just use it for palm wine and, you know.
All this one for me?
Yes, Papa.
Thank my in-law. Tell him that I'm so happy.
Papa, call on Chena. I bought some things as well.
Uchenna! Come and help me carry this thing. Hey, in-law.
What you ask me for is impossible, but can be possible if you get the man to marry you.
That is exactly why I'm here, Baba. He's going to bring back his former wife.
Do you want her dead?
No! No, Baba, I don't want her dead. I can't kill her. I just want Chief on my side.
Even if you want her dead, you can't get her.
Why?
Because I see fire all around her, yet she could not be consumed. Come and take a look at it. Look.
woman.
No. She's not an evil woman. But I'm going to work on your case for the chief to pay your dowry soon.
Thank you, Baba.
Chief. Good day, Chief.
Yes.
Yes. Chief, I know that you are very, very angry. But please, listen to us. Please, Chief.
Please.
Hear us out.
You see, I respect gray hair because I have it.
Of course.
I respect elders because I am one.
True.
But this person behind you, I don't want to see him at my gate, in my house. I don't want to have anything to do with him.
Please.
Remove this guy here or I impound it.
Chief.
Just
my love.
shut up and get out here. Put this guy out.
Remove this guy. Go inside the car.
I don't want to see you. Get out!
Thank you.
Our in-law. Yes. We know that what our son did was outrageously abominable. When I see it, there's nothing much we can do than to beg you to tamper justice with mercy. Please, Buko.
Chief, even when he came to me with the issue of a new wife, I wasn't in support of that.
How can?
I knew it was something wrong to be done. Please, Chief, I am begging you, make peace with him. Please.
You see, at the time, he invited some elders to go with him. We all refused because it was an eyesore. Okay, I don't know one.
Well, I will sleep over 8. But all I want to assure you as fellow elders is that your journey here today is not fruitless.
Oh, good. Let's have a share.
This is called for celebration.
Call for celebration. Oh, good.
Where is John?
He's sleeping.
See? He's sleeping too.
Oh, yeah?
I thank God for you. Thank you. I don't know what will I feel that vacuum in my life without his voice. And you know something? Your father is such an honorable man.
I had him knelt you down.
I did. Because I know my life is nothing without his voice.
You know?
Say, I'm so glad to have you back. I'm so glad. Jen's very sleepy.
Chief, please, I want to see you inside.
Amanda. Okay. I'll come and see you. Yeah? Well, come.
I was saying,
Chief.
Amanda, go on to your apartment. I'm coming to join you. Eh? I'm coming. You see, I'm with my family now. Go on. I said I'm coming. Are you going to drag me? You can see I'm with my boys. The happiness that God has given this family to me, not
Chief, why have you been treating me as if I don't exist? It's either Ndidi this or Ndidi that. Oh, I exist. Only for your pleasure. You don't eat my food, you don't do anything. Was this the plan? Was this the plan, Chief? Why are you humiliating me? Why? Why?
What is it that you want now? What is it? What do you want from me? You want some money? I'll give you some money.
Give it to Ndidi.
It's even an open check. You can write any amount on it.
Why did you abandon your degree?
I got married, sir. And I had a child. But he died. I've been through so much, sir.
Well, the record before me shows that you have 20-something carryovers, 4 missing results. In fact, your case is almost impossible.
Is there nothing you can do, sir?
For now, nothing. Because by the time you finish writing those missing results and numerous carryovers, years must have gone by.
What do you advise I do, sir?
My young lady, my advice to you is to take fresh jump. I'm sorry. I wish I could help you. You can see I'm very busy.
Chief, why are you doing this? Why? The day you said to pay my dowry, you pushed it. Why? Why you say today, you say tomorrow? Chief, why? Remember you said you're a man of your words.
Don't worry, Amanda. I will handle this. I'll handle it. But let me return from Enugu. Okay? Don't worry.
Chief.
I have told you that your case is unique. Before anything could be done for Chief to love you, you must get married to him first.
Can't you make him too?
It will be done out of his own will. But I will give you something to put on his food. Any request that you make, granted.
Should I remove it from the table? Auntie, should I remove the food from the table? It's smelling. Auntie!
Get out! Mommy! Get out! Get out! Angel, what is it? She did what? Why did you beat my daughter?
You are very stupid to ask me that question.
Very stupid. I know what your problems are, but let me tell you, you are leaving this house. If not today, another day. Frustration will kill you in this house. You are a frustrated woman. Come and push me out now. Come and drive me. Come and sweep me out.
What is going on here? And what is this nasty smell?
Hey! Your concubine just slapped my daughter.
What? You did what? How dare you?
How dare I what? How dare I what? Have you eaten my food? Since I started cooking, have you eaten my food? Do you know what it means not to eat my food? Go and eat the smelly food. Yes!
Is that why you must turn my compound into a smelly place? Is that why? Eh? No, go to your room. No. Go. Go to your room right now. Go.
Anyway, I don't blame you. Hey!
Come now.
I am taking this because of the love I have for you and because of God. I mean, no woman will take this insult from a co-wife, let alone a woman I don't even know what to call.
I
I know. Indeed, I know. Please. See, this is a mistake I already made. And I know I have to correct it. And I will. But I need your support. Please, I need your support.
Whatever you are doing, do it quick before I lose it. Because I have taken it up to here.
Also,
I
will. I will do it.
Can you imagine?
Amanda, I called you here because I want to discuss something of great importance with you.
Hey, thank God, Chief. You finally decided to go and see my people.
Well, that is something I need to do in the nearest future. But for now, I need to let you know what my plans are.
Anything, Chief.
Good.
Anything for you.
Good. That my twin duplex at Zeke's estate on household number 2. I want you to take over ownership immediately. Other documents and things like change of ownership, I'll do that later.
What are you inferring? What are you inferring? So you have decided to throw me out of this house, right? Yourself and Nidhi have systematically schemed out a plan to throw me out of this house, my husband's house. It will never happen. It's never going to happen, you hear? Never!
Calm down. See, I have not planned to either throw you out of the house or out of my life. Systematically, like you said. No. It is just to bring peace.
Okay. You have decided to throw away the baby with the bathwater so you can bring another one inside, Abby? It is never going to happen. This is my house. I'm not going anywhere.
Amanda, in that case, if we need to remain here, it will be on one condition. That will put a stop to all the shoutings, the quarrels, the abusive language used in this house. You have to put a stop to all of that. Do you understand that?
You talk to Ndidi too. Because there's no smoke without fire.
Yes.
Long time, how now?
Don't tell. It's been a long time. What happened?
Married life. Do you still live in that compound, Chidi?
Yes, I am still there.
So I went there the last time looking for Peace and Jesso, and they told me that Peace has moved.
Yeah, I heard she has moved on to, what do you call it? New Cemetery, yes, New Cemetery Road.
Is it that road that's around that corner?
The church, there is this big church there. What do they call it?
St. Mary's.
St. Mary's, yes, St. Mary's, I suppose. St. Mary's, just at New Cemetery, yes, New Cemetery Road.
Okay, now I have to look for her. I really have to see her. You hear? You're looking well.
But you were really carried away. That's why I came to apologize and to tell you I'm sorry. It's okay. It's really a pity what happened to Jess, you know. Amanda, if not for God, I would have been a dead person too. I guess your God wanted me to have a friend. That's why I give my life to Christ. Talking about marriage, Chief, how has it been? What marriage? The marriage is a farce. How do you mean? It's non-existent. Look at me now. Do I look like a married woman to you? Amanda, if you want my candid advice as a true born again,
quit that marriage. I mean, you cannot be married to... I did not come here to be chastised by you. I came here only because I thought I had a friend and I needed someone to talk to. Okay, so what do you intend to do? They say that hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. I intend to get my pound of flesh and a pint of blood. Amanda, the Bible says vengeance is of the Lord. Then that same Lord should have come to save my marriage and not been now. You see, Amanda, the Bible says... Leave the Bible. Just leave it, please. Leave it.
Oh my God. Amanda, what have you done? Look at your life. Oh God, look at my life. Oh Mom, where are you? Where are you? Why did you go so soon? Oh God. Oh God, where do I start from? My husband. He's not even a husband. Married. Oh, my womb. I never have children again. God, what is this? Oh, my friends, where is he? Amanda. You will not cry for anybody. You will not cry. You'll be strong because you're a strong woman. Chief wants to dump me. That's what he's planning. Chief is planning to dump me. I will not let him dump me. He can never dump me. After parading me to everybody, it won't happen. After everything I did for him, I gave up my life. I have no certificate. Ah, Chief. You want to know what it's like to be a pained woman? When I release my venom, then you will know that to have the poison of a rattlesnake is no joke.
Amanda, or whatever your name is. Let me tell you, if not that I am a Christian, I would have dealt with you in such a way.
In what way? Nidamaka, in what way? By the time I bite you, the venom that will run through your veins, you will know how much I can deal with you.
What? Look at this thing with an uncertain future. Okay, you call yourself a rattlesnake, eh? Okay. But let me tell you, there is something that snakes and any living creature is afraid of. Which is fire. Amanda, by the time you jump fire, I will so consume you mercilessly that your dust will rise up to heaven with the north wind. Do you think that I'm here exchanging words with you? You dare not touch my children again. Let's go. Look at her. You want to share my husband with me because I have kept quiet. Don't you dare me in this house again. Don't you dare me. filthy thing. Look at her.
Please now, eh? Just listen to me. Eh? Talk to me for a minute, eh? Listen to me.
Now, how much longer do you want? Haven't I been patient enough?
Yes,
Eh?
yes, but just a little more time. I will send her out. So don't, these children, they're my
Now you have made your choice. Let me live with my children, please.
Those children, they are my life.
Angel.
You know that?
Yes, mommy.
Have you packed everything inside the
Yes,
car?
ma'am.
Are the twins in the car? And your sisters? Go get the remaining. Please.
They are my life. These children.
Leave me.
I will send her out. That's what I will do. She's out of here now. Amanda! Amanda! What's it here?
Chief.
Out.
Chief.
Out.
Chief. Chief.
Out.
Chief.
Out.
Chief.
I will part of this on you. I will part of this on you.
The man that gave you shelter has decided that he cannot shelter you again. So just go into your room and pack your things and leave, okay? Just do that. Go into your room and pack your things. I forgive you. I do not hold anything against you. Okay? Just go and pack your
You mean all this happened to you today?
Yes, please. Yes.
Just stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Everything will be alright. Just put everything in the hands of God and He will do it for you. Okay? Don't cry. Stop crying, okay? Everything will be fine. Don't cry, don't cry. Everything will be fine.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! Help! 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 Somebody help me!
Amanda! What is it? What is it? Amanda, talk to me.
Hey. Please. I need to go and look for my son.
How do you hope to go about that?
My mother told me before she died that my son was taken to Lagos. And I know where Oyema Brothers lives.
And so?
On my way to Lagos, I'm going to Lagos.
Amanda, you have to calm down and take things easy. I mean, you have to be sure of what you want.
What else am I living for? What else? I've lost everything. Everything. It's the only one I have. It's the only thing that will give me life. I need to go and look for him. I need my son back. I need my son back.
Okay, Amanda. Lie down, let us sleep.
I need this time, please. You go to sleep. I need this time.
Let us sleep.
Please. I need this time.
What happened? What did you do to him?
I was on my own. He just went to collect my biscuits.
Oh, baby. Look, I'm sorry, okay? You know what I'll do? Tomorrow I'll get you a whole packet of biscuits. Yeah, baby. That way, even if it takes one, you always have many more in the packet. Okay? Hi, sweetie.
Hey, baby. How are you?
Can I help you?
Well, not immediately, but very soon you'll be able to help me. But first of all, you need to eat all your veggies, okay? And then big and strong like daddy. Ah! How are you? What's up? And how's the little big strong boy doing?
Excuse me? It's a girl. Look, we have a son already. All we need is a girl.
Okay. Well, what do you see?
You know, I've been meaning to talk to you about something.
You know what? That green toy, the one with the broken foot, bring it for me. I need to fix it. So, that's my boy. Go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
See, there's this thing I've been meaning to ask you for a long time. But every time I try to say it, I just develop this cold feet. Because I know that it will always bring the sad memories of what happened back then at the library when we first met. I just want to ask you, why did you not retaliate when I slapped you at the library that day?
This way. You know, I told you about my first relationship. things were better. There was a certain day that she said some things that made me very, very angry. And I beat her. Oh my God. I beat her. And the feeling I had afterwards wasn't something that I liked at all. It made me feel less than a real man. And I vowed to myself there and then that I will never, ever lay my hands on a woman. So, that's it.
Melissa, somebody please go back to me.
Thank you.
My dear Onyema, please do not tear this letter. It is with a heavy heart that I write. How is the princess? I am sure she has made you a happy man. You deserve her. How is your son, Chinechere? Yes, your son, because I am not worthy to be a mother. If I start from the beginning, my heart will not take it. I deserve all that happened to me. And you did try to make a good woman out of me. Onyi, my first love, for all the love we shared, I beg for your forgiveness. Please, beg the princess for me. And as for our son, explain to him that I love him. I am truly sorry. My life has no meaning, and all I ask is for you all to pray for me. I am gone, never to return. Chimamanda Okorie.
I hope he finds happiness.
I'm sure you've forgiven her.
Yes, thank you.
That's good.
It's easy to, because now I have you.
I love you.
Me too.
Standing across the room, I watch you smile. I never knew love could be so strong. Here I am.
Rolling. Action.
Hey! Oh yeah, one more. You're welcome. Hey, princess, princess. Hey, where mama? I made your mother proud. Hey, let's go inside the wall. Hey, I thank you, God. Nah, let's go to the person. Hey!
My name is Yemi Black. I'm playing Oyema in this movie that Uche Nancy Productions is doing. Trust me, it's a really nice one. You're going to enjoy it when it comes out. My role is that of a quintessential lover. He's a guy who knows how to reach the heart of a woman. Unfortunately, the woman they were supposed to love really, that he loved first, didn't reciprocate his love, and they had a baby together. But then subsequently, he met another person that was his exact soulmate, and together they built a happy life. It's something that's really very wonderful, something that's really great, something that I'm proud to be of. And come on, it's Uche Nancy's production, so you know that the costumes are the I would have did that myself. Trust me, everyone's looking spanking good. You should have seen the party scene when we all had yellow on. They put out some really dope stuff for people to wear, and trust me, it's like totally off the hook. It's supposed to be beautiful working with Ini, working with Tonto, working with the likes of Junior Pope. You know, it's the director I'm working with for the first time, but he's doing a good job. And the DP, Onyi, that's the name of a character. He's also doing really well. You know, there's this guy, there's a silly guy on that job. His name is Isaac. He's always taking photos up and down. I'm gonna break his camera on off the stage like.